After 40,000 hours of meticulous work, Bentley Mulliner delivered Car Zero in 2020, the first new blower in 90 years. This prototype leads a 12-car continuation series, all pre-sold, recreating the legendary supercharged racers Sir Henry Tim Birkin campaigned in the late 1920s. The project began with Bentley's own Team Car No. 2, chassis HB3403, engine SM3902, registration UU5872. Engineers disassembled this valuable machine completely, laser scanning every component to generate a precise digital CAD model. From this data, 1,846 individual parts were designed and handcrafted. When counting the 230 assemblies, including the engine, plus fixings and interior trim, the total reaches several thousand components. Bentley engaged specialist craftsmen across Britain, employing traditional methods passed down through generations. Israel Newton & Sons, a 200-year-old company known for steam locomotive boilers, hand-formed and hot-riveted the heavy-gauge steel chassis. The Vintage Car Radiator Company at Bicester Heritage created the mirror-polished solid nickel-silver radiator shell and hand-beaten copper and steel fuel tank. Jones Springs manufactured leaf springs to original specifications, while Vintage Headlamp Restoration International crafted the iconic headlamps through expert silversmithing. Lomax Coach Builders supplied the ash body frame, which Mulliner wrapped in 25 meters of specialized Rexine material. The 4.5-liter engine, originally designed by Walter Owen Bentley himself, features remarkably advanced engineering: aluminum pistons, overhead camshaft, 4 valves per cylinder, twin-spark ignition, and a magnesium crankcase. National Die Casting and Radiator Limited in Watford helped create this power plant, paired with a newly machined Amherst Villiers Roots-type supercharger, an exact recreation of Tim Birkin's racing engines. Testing the engine required adapting a testbed dating to 1938, originally used for Merlin V12 aero engines during World War II. Engineers fabricated a replica front chassis, wrote custom software, and utilized original Merlin fixtures still in storage. Car Zero emerged in gloss black with oxblood red Bridge of Weir leather interior. The seats contain 10 kilograms of natural horsehair, faithful to the originals. Chairman Adrian Hallmark drove it down Pimm's Lane, marking both the prototype's debut and the expanded Bentley campus creation. The test program simulates 35,000 kilometers of real-world driving across 8,000 kilometers of track work, equivalent to completing legendary rallies like Peking to Paris and Mille Miglia. This ensures the 12 customer cars will match the original blower's legendary durability and performance.